Alright, so I'm gonna be talking about pivot. A lot of people get afraid because they think pivot is a bad thing, that it is like a dirty word. But in reality, pivot really does help. Pivoting is not a sign of weakness, but it's a sign of strength because you're willing to be adaptable, to be flexible enough to be able to change either your business plan or to change your target market. Because pivoting allows you to be able to realize what your original idea may not be the best idea, and maybe there's a better idea out there, and be able to implement the things that you learn in your new idea. And honestly, I feel like pivoting really does help you to be able to see your potential and be able to do a lot of great things with it.
Aloha! Today we will talk about how to choose the right audience. We pivoted from floral stickers to general conference t-shirts. My first tip in this tutorial is choose an audience that you and your team can empathize with. Who are the types of people that you're friends with? You could probably convince your 5 best friends to just do just about anything with you. This audience will be way easier to sell to. If you kind of like try to think of things maybe that your friends want, that's a great way you could do really well in this challenge. Otherwise, who are the people that you deeply care about? Think about maybe your grandmas. What are some things that they would love? If you had to make a Christmas present for your grandma and it had to be a t-shirt, what would your grandma love to have on that t-shirt? Think about people that you can empathize with, care about, or that you know really, really well. Next, do you have free access to lots of your target audience? I think one of the reasons we did really well with the general conference t-shirts is that everyone in our Instagram following for everyone in our team were members of the church. So not only were we sharing a company Instagram page, but we were sharing those posts in our personal pages and asking our friends and family to share those posts in their pages. That grew, and we were able to get a lot of sales that way. I know that we get $50 to spend here, but free marketing, there's nothing like it. Okay, then my last tip is this market underserved? If so, you hit the jackpot. There's not much apparel, honestly, for members of the church. There's Christian apparel, there's quotes on t-shirts, but you'll rarely see general conference quotes or Book of Mormon quotes. Other niches that have strong passions, Trump supporters or the Kahuku Red Raiders, they're a really good example. I'm not saying compete with them, especially if you're not from here. Or missionaries, missionary parents, missionary moms. So people that have strong passion or strong identity, good place to start. All right, good luck.
All right, so for me, one of the things that I learned from the AI hassle is how AI is very convenient to know what to do to start your new business. The best things that I've learned so far. Analyze market trends, so you can know what's the trend in your community or in the world. So you can focus on the trend as well. I can also make your business plan. I'm an international student. English is not my first language, so I don't know the process and everything. AI helps me outline everything that I need to consider to start my business. Also, it gives a real-time data analysis. It's very helpful and offers valuable assistance by analyzing market trends, customer behaviors, and competitors' strategies. It simplifies financial planning, part of business plan, enhances customer engagement through personalized marketing, and streamlines operations by automating tasks, making it an indispensable tool for business seeking efficiency, adaptability. For me, AI is a very helpful tool if you want to start your business.
When we started off, marketing seemed very complicated and overwhelming. One thing that we learned was that there are a ton of resources that are free, but you can use these resources to help promote your brand. One of the lesser known ones is Pinterest, and I'll show you quickly how to do an ad campaign. First of all, you have to make an account. This is our account. So under ads, you can click create campaign, and then you can do automated or manual, and then you'll fill out this, continue, you'll fill out these, and then that's it.